Everyone loves to hear great feedback, and really, we're no different. When we receive a 5-star review, we just want to shout it out from the mountaintops. That's why we're so happy to share this one with you right now. We know the level of service we try to provide, but this type of feedback makes us push harder to do better. We love to hear the good news when someone takes the time to tell us they appreciate the job we're doing. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.